Rev up your engines! Today I'm going to show you how you can prevent people from hitting you and prevent yourself from hitting other things when you're driving your car by what's in this little box. Because inside this box are tiny little super bright LED backup light bulbs. Realize that these backup lights serve two purposes. One, at night when you put it in reverse and back up, they throw some light out so you can see a little bit better. But more importantly, they serve to warn others that you're backing up. Now, of course, at night, most people are going to see it because even the stock ones are relatively bright. But in the daytime, they might miss these. That's where these handy super bright LED bulbs come in. You can see that the stock bulbs put out a reasonable amount of light, but these ultra bright LEDs put out a ton more. First, we're going to measure what comes out here with a light meter. Simple device, you just turn it on, then measure what's coming out. It's 5,737 lux. Lux is a measurement of light. Now in a lot of cars you just pop the bulb in and out. This one's a little more complicated. You gotta open the trunk, and we'll take this little cover off so we have some working room inside here. Then we take out this little panel, and on this design, you can't reach the backup light bulbs from the inside. You got to take the whole plastic assembly out. It's not that hard, but you do have to have a deep well 10mm socket to get over the giant rod that has a 10mm bolt that you can unscrew. As you go inside here, you can see there's one of them. There's three of them you got to take off. There it is right there. You just put it on and unbolt them. Then after you remove the nuts inside, the whole thing comes out. Here's a backup light bulb, so we'll flip it over. It's hiding inside here. So we twist it out. There's a backup light bulb. Then we merely take out the bulb, plug in the other one. There it is. Then that one merely goes back into its little hole and clicks in. Now it's in there. Then the whole assembly goes in. You can see there's the rods that go in the holes. Sometimes you gotta wiggle them a little bit. They're always fun getting in. Start on the bottom and work your way up. There it goes. Then before we put all that together, we'll plug the electrical connection in the back, which is right here. That's the easiest thing to do. Of course, I got one hand on the camera and one on here. It's a little harder. There we go. Then we'll start up the car and put it in reverse and see if the light's working. And indeed it's working. And here you can see the new one is so much brighter than the old one. Let's measure it. As you can see, it's 6,447 lux. And as you can see with the human eye, it's more than lux. The LED is so much brighter to the human eye than that incandescent bulb is. There's really no comparison. You're going to see this much better than you're going to see that one. So of course now we have to do that side. But first we'll get the nuts, put this side in tight so it's tight, and that's a water seal too. You want it nice and tight because you don't want water leaking in. Then we'll pop the cover on that side, then go to the other side and do that side. Same routine. Pop out the cover, unbolt the nuts, and wiggle the whole thing off. Out it comes. Then get your new bright LED one. Then reach inside. Take out the backup light bulb, plug it in just like the other one, and snap it in the hole. Make sure the seal's clean. You can see there's some dirt on this. You want to wipe the seal clean so grunge doesn't get in the way. Then we just plug it back in. So we'll do the bottom one on the right, then the top, then the left. Sometimes they're hard to get in and out. There it goes. And yet again, before we put it all back together, let's snap the electrical connection in. There's one end, there's the other, and we'll start it up. And as you can see now, both sides are nice and bright warning backup lights. And now we can finish bolting it all up with a little light so we can see where everything goes. And put the panel back in. Now you have super bright backup lights so people can see that you're backing up. Backup lights help you see at night, yeah. But their main purpose is to keep other people from running into you because they don't know you're backing up. Even in bright daylight, you're going to see these ultra bright LEDs shining in their face, so they'll have no excuse if they run into you saying, oh, I didn't know you were backing up. These babies shine. And since this is Mechanic Monday, I'm giving away a set of these Antline ultra bright LED backup bulbs. To have a chance to win, place a clean, non-offensive comment on the YouTube comments below, and a winner will be chosen randomly by computer to get ultra bright backup lights so people will no longer run into you, and you'll be able to see better at night when you're backing up. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, Remember to ring that bell.